Hello everyone, my name is Phyllis Robinson and I am the CEO and founder of JRC Restoration Designs. This video is to introduce the launching of my YouTube channel, which is coming soon, and I am so excited about it. I've been inspired by other YouTube vloggers, so I too will be sharing my DIY designs of duplicates and also one-of-a-kind creations. And in lieu of my channel name focused on the word restoration, I gravitate towards dumpster diving. And yes, I go right into the dumpster and dive for trash. And not trash per se, but items that people have thrown away that they consider no longer usable, I take and recreate to make it usable for someone else. I also gravitate toward yard sales, thrift stores, and Goodwill finds to turn what was once trash also into lucrative treasures. I am very excited about joining YouTube and I look forward to sharing my creations, so stay tuned. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. And until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.